Hi, everyone, and welcome back to part 3 of our Chumash Fundamental series designed to give you the skills, the Hebrew language skills, to be able to really become an independent Chumash learner and to be able to help your children do the same. Today's lesson is going to be about exceptions to the rule that we had until now, which was that every root word, shoresh, has 3 letters, and we add on a prefix and suffix, sort of like Lego pieces. Here's an example, and this is color-coded. Again, follow my cursor here. Ve'avarcha, and I will bless. So Beis Reish Chaf is a shoresh, which means to bless. A prefix Vav means and. A prefix Aleph means I. Okay, Ve'avarcha, and I will bless, and I will bless. So that's a full word, uveirachtem, and you will bless. Beis Reish Chaf, again, is the same sharash in the middle. So today we're going to learn the exception that not every sharash of 3 letters remains intact when it moves on to become a complex word. Okay, so here, follow my cursor again. Here are some examples. We call it Yonah. Yonah means a dove, okay? But it's an acronym for the letters Yud, Vav, Nun, and Hey. And you can see the text on top, some shoresh letters drop from the shoresh when you pull them together. And here are some examples. You have the shoresh, Reish Aleph Hey, Ra'ah. Ra'isi is I saw. Okay, here's the translation. Ra'isi is I saw. So notice the Hey is not there anymore. So that's what we call, it's a shoresh letter that sort of flies away, and it like a bird does. That's just the memory tool. So Ra'isi is I saw, Ra'inu is we saw, Nun Vav is plural, Ra'u is they saw, and the same thing for the shoresh halach, Elech, I will go, right? It doesn't say a halach, right? There's a hey missing. Telchi, you will go, and even you have lech lecha, right? Lech, go, even without a prefix and a suffix, sometimes that word drops. Now, the reason for the rules really are not that important, certainly right now, but it's just to have that in your mind that not every shoresh survives the move to a complex word or even to be placed in a pasuk, intact. Sometimes letters are missing. Here are exercises to identify the complex word and the shoresh and where the letters dropped. And here is a cumulative shoreshim review of what we did so far. We had the shoreshim amar. Amar is to say, this is matching, right? Barech is to bless, halach is to go or went, and ra'ah is to see. And here we find the shoresh on the left side here, follow my cursor, amar, and you have to match it to vayomer. Barech, bless, is mivarachecha, those who bless you. Now, what's important, just in closing today's lesson, it's important to note that basically these are really the only 2 skills you need to be able to master Chumash. To take, actually, 2 probably goes before 1, or you could say 1 goes before 2. So 2 is that you take this complex word that you find in Chumash, mivarachecha, and identify the shoresh, okay, which is barech, and translate it. Or maybe you could say learn the translation and then find it in a word. But the great news is that once you have these tools, we're going to do the prefix and suffix. There aren't that many of them. Once you do that and you know how to put them in words and pull them out of words, so to speak, to construct and deconstruct those words, you're really off to the races. All you